So things started off dear Makar between Untutuko and Ukhalalelo, but it looks like they were able to talk things through and then fix them. So Ukhalalelo said she was keeping a secret because she was well aware so what they were doing is just to make sure that the information does not get out of hand or any beans are spilled before the time or before they could find out what is going on, who is doing what way. So she says now that everything is settled and sorted, she can now speak about this. Now, Untutuko was not really interested in the conversation until he understood that it was so dangerous for her to disclose, which he then apologized and said, you know what, my love, I did not know this was what you were going through, and I was very mean to you because I didn't understand what was going on. And I'm glad that Khalalelo was Tobile and you know what, I understand and I love you. Athi ha o sithandwa sami ngiya-understanda ne ke senya gore ke bolele before nako because ne re sa itse gore o iragala. Why do they feel like they are a couple already? Why does it feel like ooh ka utlwa ka re ke nyaka ba maratong batho ba modimo? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal. Timatekwana sanibona ni abusheni molweni minjani. Hifukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kuruslo tsemsekangi kahle looking at the fact that Kona Umlisa uthi yena uyahamba, he actually quit his job, went to Mdala and said, you know what, for everything that you've done for me, I quit. Ngiyawuyeka phansi lo msebenzi ngiyahamba, and besides ngizobe ngisephesheya. It's giving Boma scam, it's giving Boma, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll just do it anyway because it's promising. There is no information that he has about any particular thing where he's going. Oh, well, he knows where he's going, but there is no tangible information. But nje, okusalayo siyaya, phandle kolwandle, uzobe sihola ngamadola, you know? And that could be a bit dangerous. Now, the problem is, I think on the previous episode, we saw Kanye Joel seeing that guy, and she she was uncomfortable because and it was not like a deja vu or anything like that. It's actually that really happened. Okay. Anyway, on to some more interesting news. Now that Khalalelo and the girlfriend are okay now, Kona Isoka, that is Isoka. Is it Isoka? What's that? Where people teach abantwana abancane to play soccer, and then they need sponsorship. A soccer academy. Ubototo is trying to open a soccer academy, but the problem if Lopolano Wutsinje, this soccer academy has to be sponsored by Umkuluka Orchid, and Umkuluka Orchid, the money that he wants to give to Bototo's mother is the money that he worked hard for all this time. And manje sekazoyisakaza ngokunikeza lo, and lo samazi lo thengisa ngenyama. Which is a problem, and it looks like the theme is gone now. Umamsi, she is determined to get the money out of this guy, and it looks like she's going to give it to her son. While on the other hand, and this does not look nice, does not look okay, because now Toriso told her mother that she doesn't want anything to do with her because she's a liar, manipulator, and a cheat, and she can do anything and everything to make sure Horiena her ass is covered and expose everybody else. Now Bapitla, and she is just not bothered about anything. At least Poet was the one that was saying, you know what, guys, I know that you are ahead and everything, but Hali Pitlamoto, you can't be saying all the negative stuff. Let's just hurry hear this thing respectfully so, and then refite koyo na skaba manganga man ribe skaba sirla muni.